Alright, this will be a demonstration of the final 353 project that incorporates everything we've done this year. It uses two TIVA C Launchpad Stellaris boards and these daughter boards that we made in class. The two boards can communicate via a UART. One's a master, one's a slave. And basically this will be a drawing program in which you can turn on both boards, which the master will have a cursor to start with. And then the slave allows you to select colors which are indicated in the top left corner of the board, such as red, blue, or green, one at a time. And then using one of the potentiometers on the board, the left one, you can regulate the duty cycle in technically the brightness and the color of the specific color you're selecting. So for instance, if I put in a little bit of green and then I jack up the red a little, I get a yellow color. Might be a little difficult to see on the screen, but now that I have my color selected, I can press the button under the right potentiometer, and this sends this color via the UART to this board, in which now I can select wherever I want to start drawing. So let's say we'll go to the top right corner, and then by pressing the middle button right here, you enter drawing mode, which selects the color you sent over onto the cursor. And now using the potentiometers, you can use that color anywhere on the screen to draw with. Now we can also go back to the slave board and select a different color, let's say like a magenta pink, and also send that one over. And then being from where you were before, you can draw with this pink color now. And you can do, let's do some blue. Again, press send. And then I can draw with blue. So you can have any color on this board that on any of these dots. Each dot has its individual color. So in theory you could have 64 different colors or brightness of colors on the master board that you sent over from the slave. There's also an erase feature, so this bottom button right here under the draw button, or no, this is the cursor, which lets you go wherever you want on the board without tampering with the data. And then the button on the right here enters eraser mode, which you can just scoot all over the board and erase everything you drew to have a nice clean pad again. So you can select another color on here. Let's do like an aqua color, I guess. You can do any color of the rainbow. It's still tough to see. Then press send, and then you can draw with that, whichever color you want. And then, yeah, that's it. It's pretty simple. Just draw with any color you want, and then you can also save it by pressing this button. And for future use in the EEPROM, it will load it as your favorite color on startup. That's about it for the game. Otherwise, the boards communicate via UART and reset each other's watchdog timers, so in case I unplug one of them, they will start to reset because the watchdogs are not taken care of. And that's it.